Hi there, so today as you see we're having a talk about how to make this geometry by some customized shapes and get to know some fun and easy tools. So let's go. Okay, so to start here I need a surface and it can be closed or open, but to have some more fun I just made one by lofting in Rhino and added this to Grasshopper canvas. Okay, so for those of you who might be wondering what I'm doing here exactly, I recommend you to watch previous videos that I have explained everything up to here clearly. Okay, so after creating my surface here, I should make a network on it, which we did in the last video and is actually the easiest way to have grades on any surface. So I just use divide domain, which helps us to have u and v coordinates, and also I'm going to use Isotrim to make some grids on my surface. Just so you know, the reason we make these networks is that each of these small rectangles are going to host our next geometry that works as a module here. To make this module that we talked, I need to go back to Rhino and make a custom shape. Whatever you like, it just doesn't need to have a cubic base. But here I just make my own geometry and play with the edges somehow. My geometry seems to be fine for now, and next I'm just gonna reference it into my Grasshopper canvas and hide it in my Rhino so that I can check it better. Now, as I said, this geometry is going to be hosted by the surface, by the trimmed surface actually, and there's a tool named Box Morph that is going to do the job here for me. Now, after adding the tool here, if you check the information, this need is a boxy shape as our target. So I need to turn my surface into box, and that's exactly my next tool, surface box. So this tool works a bit like extrude surface in Rhino space. It needs a domain, which we have from dividing surface domain from before, and a number as our height. Now you see the box here is made from the outer side, and we know by giving a negative expression to height here, I can change this to be made inside the face. We're getting close to be done. In the second part in Box Morph, if you look, is a reference. So reference here is a box that contains our module and defines the surroundings of it for our morph tool. So I search for bounding box and add my geometry to it, and now we can add the output to reference part. Now I connect my small geometry as the geometry for my morph box. I just misconnected the surface box. It must go to target, and then everything seems okay. And yeah, that would be all for now, and explore more and have fun with it. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.